Somebody asked somewhere, and I can't find the comment now, but they asked, how do I hang an IV piggyback or an intermittent infusion? And that's what this video is all about. Usually this is for something like antibiotics or something like that. You've got a primary bag, normal saline, LR, something running, and then you have an order to hang a little quick 30-minute, hour IV piggyback of, let's say, antibiotics. Number one, make sure that the order of the antibiotic and the primary infusion are compatible because they're going to be kind of running in the same line. All right, you're going to first open up your little antibiotic piggyback, and you're also going to have like a secondary infusion set. You're going to spike the bag, clamp it, hang it up, unclamp it, and prime the tubing. Then clamp it again. Then you're going to scrub the little hub of the primary infusion line, and then you're going to attach them. You always attach it above the pump. Now in your secondary little infusion set, you're going to get this little tiny cute little hook, and you're going to hook it to the big primary bag so that the intermittent infusion or the antibiotic is higher because you're going to use a little bit of gravity for this to work. Then you set your pump, blah, 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 whatever, to an intermittent infusion. Of course, it's different for every pump. And then unclamp the little piggyback. I always forget to do this. And then you just press the little green button or whatever button it is to go, and that's how you hang an IV piggyback. Put questions in the comments and I will answer them. I love you, bye.